Hello guys, how are you? I'm Barista Ali. Welcome back again on my new video. Today I'm going to make hot Spanish latte. If you new here, please support my channel. Today I'm first time telling you, so please support my channel. So let's start video. So guys, I have one jug. Hot Spanish latte. Really so delicious. Before I make condensed milk with espresso, so my coffee going to cold. Now my coffee is so heat, so hot now. So guys, hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. If you're new here, so please subscribe my channel and support my channel. So thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum. Take care always. Allah Hafiz. Massalam.